Hey guys, for this video, I'll just be showing you the assembly of the Sweet Krispy Overbed Table. Here's the installation assembly manual it comes with. It's really simple, just 3 steps. You can see here in front of me, I have the tabletop. It's a really nice heavy-duty filling top, so I'm impressed with that. And then it has just the feet that come pre-assembled like this, and the table leg for the extension, and then a hardware pack. So the whole assembly, it's only 8 bolts, so it looks really simple. I pre-read through the instructions just to make sure I don't hold you up too much. So first, you just align your leg, and then the bolts or screws that it comes with, they have Allen heads, but it also comes with an Allen wrench for you, so you don't need your own. Line those up. Get them all started, hand tighten. Now, if you have your own drill and Allen wrenches for it, you could use that. Normally that's what I would do, but I didn't want to go find it, so I just used what it came with. Okay, so I got them all screwed down. I'm just going to go back around and make sure they're all tight. Okay, perfect. So you can see that's on there now. And then down in this leg, there's 4 more holes that align with these leg holes here. So go ahead and seat that part. It has rollers on the bottom of the legs too, so make sure you don't put it the wrong way like I almost just did. Line those up. Then you have 4 more bolts in there. It's a little hard to get my fingers down in there, so I'll start them with the wrench. So you have one in there, and it's enough to hold it while you do the rest. So I like to get them all seated and then turn the wrench and go around one more time just for a final tightening to make sure everything is tight as it needs to be, but not over tight. Okay, and that's the entire assembly. Like it came with a 9th bolt just in case, I suppose. So flip it over. It is heavy duty, it feels strong. but it looks really nice and it was easy to install. Slides up and down. So that's it. Thanks, guys.